Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my lecturer and my friends. Today, I will present about ethnographic approach in sociolinguistic. My name is Anis Aza. I'm as a first speaker, and then the second speaker is Mbak Wulan. So, first, we need to know definitions about ethnography. Ethnography is the written descriptions of the social organizations, social activities, symbolic and material research, and interpretive practice characteristic of a particular group of people. So in the ethnography, researchers research the roles, cultural norms, and value in the language used. And then in the ethnography research is generally carried out through participant observations. Ethnography is based on first-hand observations of behavior in a group of people in their natural setting. Investigators report on what they see and hear as they observe what is going on around them. Then, according to Maybin 2007, explains the ethnographic work normally requires the researcher to be actively involved in the social actions and the study, suggesting that this generates insight which cannot be achieved in any other way. Okay, and then next is about the ethnography of communications. In the ethnography of communications, it consists of communicative competence. And then the term of communicative competence is sometimes used to describe the knowledge of how to use language in culturally appropriate ways. And then communicative competence focus on ideal hearer speakers' knowledge of grammaticality of sentence in their native language. Then whereas linguistic competence covers the speaker ability in produce grammatically correct sentences, then communicative competence describes the ability to select from the totality of grammatically correct expressions available forms which appropriately reflect the social norms governing behavior in specific encounter. And then Hamas 1972 says that in learning a language, children not only must learn how to construct sentences in the language, but also must acquire knowledge of a set of ways in which sentences are used. And then in learning to speak, we are also learning to communicate in ways appropriate to the group in which we are doing the learning. It's called language socializations. And then in the communicative competence, there consists of speaking. An ethnography of a communicative event is descriptions of all the factors that are relevant in understanding how the particular communicative event achieves its objective. So the word speaking is as an acronym for the phrase factors uh, is used by Hemas. And then there are some factors consist of the components of speakings. And then the first is about setting and sense. Setting and scan. Setting and scan. Setting refers to the time and place, that is the concrete physical circumstance in which speech takes place. Scan refers to the abstract psychological setting or the cultural definitions of the occasions. Okay, and then the participants include various combinations of speaker listener, addresser, addressee, or sender receiver. So in the participant include personal characteristics such as age and sex, social status, relationship with each other. And then ans including the purpose of the event itself as well as the individual goals of the participants. And then act of sequence include how speech acts are organized within a speech event and what topics are addressed. So act sequence means the type of communications used, maybe a questions answer format like that. And then K. K refers to the tone and manner in which something is said or written. The K may also be marked non-verbally by certain kinds of behavior, gesture, posture, and even deportment. So K means whether the interactions is informal or formal, like that. And then instrumentalities refers to the choice of channel, for example, oral, written, sign, or telegraphic, and to the actual forms of speech employed, such as the language, dialect, code, or register that is chosen. And then norms of interactions and interpretations refers to the specific behaviors and properties that attach to speaking and also to how this may be viewed by someone who does not share them. So, and the next genre. Genre refers to clearly demarcated types of utterances, such things as poems, proverbs, riddles, sermons, and etc. So, genre refers to clearly demarcated types of utterance, possibly a friendly chat or a small talk. Okay, and the next is about ethnomethodology. Will be presented by Mbak Wulan. Okay, thanks for your attention. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.